In the beginning, the earth spoke in a gentle voice. The gumble of leaves, the hush of rivers, the morning chimes of birds, these were once sound daily life. For thousands of years, nature's soundscape was pure and uninterrupted and healing. But history took turn with the industrialization. The 18th and 19th century, both machine, engine, and factories. Cities grew, vehicles crowded in street, and silence slowly vanished. What was once rare, the raw iron and stream, became constant, and so began a new age where the whisper and the wind were buried under the noise of progress.
Experts now call it noise pollution.
How noise affects us, and in particular, I guess, how noise affects our health.
That I think you've said the most important thing there, Johnny, that noise actually does affect our health.
Right.
And I think that's something that you might find it maybe irritating at times or disruptive or a little bit frustrating. But the science definitely backs up the concept that it has a deeper impact on our human bodies.
But it is a more than just an invitation, it is a silent inviter. It robs us of the rest, rise our space, and disturb both people and wildlife. In forests near highway, birds and birds to sign louder. Yet their calls go unheard. In the ocean, whales and dolphins lose their way in water, killed with the harm of ships. Even in our own country, Bangladesh, nature sound are very the Sundarbans, Sirek, forest, and Chattogram, high tracks, and the economic life. Now many of those birds are gone. Science is no longer peaceful. It is a sign of loss.
Bangladesh was home to an extraordinary diversity of animals and birds. The black-backed Mungai wild buffalo, ifur, and the pink-headed duck-ons with our landscapes with their presence and their sounds. Today, they exist only in memory. Unplanned urbanization, deforestation, and hunting silence them forever. Even common species like grays are disappearing. Their morning calls on cleaned our cities by scavenging waste, not with a 60% decline in urban population's garbage load, attracting pests. Each missing call is a warning. The soundscape of Bangladesh is unwavering and weight in our ecological balance. Listen to the dawn chorus, birds greeting in the morning with soft, sweet songs. But the over past 25 years, their numbers have fallen sharply. Here and across the world, migratory birds no longer arrive as they once did, and the music of the morning fades into silence. At night, fireflies that once lit up villages like tiny stars, waving quiet poetry in the darkness, have grown rare. Light pollution, pesticides, and loss of their homes have dimmed their glow. Without birds, our morning feel empty. Without fireflies, our nights feel hollow. Losing these songs and lights is not just losing nature, it is losing a piece of ourselves.
But what replaces this sound of nature? Noise, endless, harmful noise. In Dhaka, sound level regularly cross the self-limit of 50 decibels, sometimes reaching over 100. Hydraulic horns, construction, traffic jam. They never stop. For us humans, this noise is dangerous. It causes headache, hearing loss, poor sleep, and anxiety. Even our students, the next generation, confess that the constant noise steals their focus, their pace, their ability to dream.
চ্যালেঞ্জ করি তখন পড়াশোনাতে একটু করতে বসলে আমার পড়াশোনা ঠিক মতো হয় না কারো কারণে নয়েজ রিস্ক করতে
কোথাও যাইতে গেলে বাসে পড়নে বা আমার এত পরিমাণ মাথা ব্যথা হয় যেটা হচ্ছে যে প্রায় 2-3 দিন থাকে পড়াশোনার জন্য মাথা ব্যথার জন্য করাই যায় না আর
Still, there is hope. Silence is not emptiness, it is life waiting to be heard. To bring back the whispers of the wind, we must act. Protect our forests, rivers, and wetlands. Create green belts and quiet zones in our cities. Enforce noise pollution laws and ban harmful horn. Restore habitats so birds, crows, and fireflies can return. And most importantly, listen. Listen to the voices of students, citizens, and nature itself. If we reduce unnecessary noise and protect natural sounds, we can heal both the earth and ourselves. The wind still whispers, but for how long? The choice is ours to hear it or to let it be lost forever.